Hello friends, myself Dr. Deepak Shirbhate. I am working as a principal of Vikramshila Polytechnic Darapur, Taluka Daryapur, District Amravati, Maharashtra State of India. And today I am going to present you VRML Android app development procedure using BS Contact Android. So there is one BS Contact Android APK, and we will be using that APK for customizing the Android app for the VRML. So BS Contact has already developed one app, and we will be actually customizing that app for our use. So let us start with this presentation. So first step will be installing the Java. You have to install the Java. That will be the first step. Now in the next video I will show you how to install the Java. Okay, so open your internet browser, then type Google, then Java download, and you will get the download link. You just click on that link, agree the terms and start free download. Then you can install that downloaded Java on your laptop PC. It's a small plugin actually. It takes some few seconds to download and install. So quickly install the Java. That's it. Now wait for the final message, and here you will get the installation pop-up. So this Java is from Oracle. So our setup is in process. So you have to wait for a few seconds, for a few minutes for this installation. Of course it will get installed very quickly. It's a matter of few seconds or minutes. So it is almost complete. And wait for the final installation message. So that's it, and you will get the message, you have successfully installed Java. So that's the end of installation. Now there will be next procedure for converting or decompiling APK to Java code or small I. So this is the APK that you will get, actually the components of the APK. So you can see the final Android APK, and then this jar file and APK and jar and this bat file. Final folder contains. Now what you have to do, create a new folder, say final on desktop, put in the APK file which you want to decode. In our case it is BS Contact Android _ 8.300.apk obtained from the beta management. Download the latest version of APK tool and place them in the same folder, that is final/apk tool. Open a command window and change the directory path to folder final/apk tool. Now type command apk tool if framework -res.apk and hit enter. So this will be the command. So this is the screen for decompiling APK to Java. So run as an administrator and then cd slash then copy the path and here it is the final folder actually, and I have already written that command in the notepad. And you will get the message, okay, framework installed too. Next, time command apk tool d for decompressed bs contact android underscore 8.300.apk, where d is used for decoding the apk file. So this will be the actually a response to your command apk tool if framework dash response.apk. So run as an administrator, cd slash copy address, this is the address, and this is the command line that we want to use as a decoding command. So this will be the output that you will get. Now go to the final directory, and in this directory you will get these type of folders, actually folders and files. Now we have created a final folder with the name bs contact android underscore 8.300 in the final apk tool folder, and it is possible to easily read the apk's xml file and other java codes of apk. Procedure for modifying the exact code in java, that is small code, and then recompile. So locate the folder. So the folder is here. You can see view of bs contact android folder. Open this small I file in the notepad++ to view its coding. This file is created by bit management, hence on the line number 361, the default link of WRL file is, so this is the default link. Now you want to open your own, you can say VRML content. So just change that particular folder. So my VRML content will be vw2.wrl. This I want to open. So this is the default content and this is the content that I want to open. Okay, and is the scene that I want to load in the Android app. So this is the final folder, small I. Notepad++, and this is the line that I want to edit. So I want to edit that line with this. I want to replace that line with this. I'm repeating the procedure once again. Step 2, go to the strings.xml in the folder race/values. Change the app name from BS Player to whatever name you want to give. Okay. So I want to change this name and I want to give another name. I'm using it as my app. Save the file. To replace the icon with the default icon, make different size of icons as per the specification given in the in below table, that is icon.png format in the folder, and save it there in the respective drawable folders. So it is like this. So this is how we can create the icon, our own icon. So this is the icon that I want to use. 36 75 horizontal pixels, 36 vertical pixel, 36 horizontal pixel by 36 vertical pixels. Save as a PNG file. Now it is 48 by 48. Seventy-two by 72 pixels. Replace the file in the destination. step before the final step. So we have done all the modifications required in the decompiled APK. We need to do recompiling the decompiled APK into new modified .apk. Rename the folder from the BS contact Android to MFD ISMIVRE. So actually this is the short form of the thesis title. Actually methodology for development of interactive solid modeling in virtual reality environment. So I have taken the first letter of each word and I have developed this particular short form. In this case, instead of this, you can use my app also. Recompile the APK file using the command mentioned below. APK tool B, then methodology for development of interactive solid modeling in virtual reality environment, MFDISMIVRE. In this case, it will be APK tool B, my app. Okay. So this is how you will get the output. APK tool B, my app. This is the path. So APK has been built actually. Your new APK file can be found inside the dist folder, which will be created in the app folder. After all the modifications are made to APK file, you must sign the newly created app with the key in order to install it on mobile. We will need a tool to sign the APK file which you have recompiled, that is methodology for development of interactive solid modeling in virtual reality environment.apk. Create another folder with the name sign APK. Use the tool sign APK to sign the newly modified app. Open command window inside the APK folder and sign the APK with following command. So this is the command which I have shown. So this is the command you are supposed to use. So in this way you can create the app. So thank you for watching this video. In case of any query or clarification, you can contact me on my mobile number, which is 922 674 3354. Thank you.